Hi everyone, spring is just around the corner and it's time for us to reset our vegetable garden for the new garden season. As you can see, not much has happened on this side of the garden since the beginning of the year. I still have a few things from last season, like the leeks that I've been harvesting throughout the winter. But I also have my fall garlic, my fall onions. I have some broccoli plants from last season in those grow bags still. Spinach, I haven't harvested that much, but it did quite well. So I'm going to be redoing all the garden beds today, refreshing them up with fresh compost and just planting the first seedlings and sowing the first seeds. One thing that I have done though is amend this metal raised bed that I installed during the winter, and we've planted our first strawberries already. We've also installed a few boxes on the walls in which we've planted more strawberries. I've been hardening off some of my vegetable seedlings already, all the cool weather vegetables that I intend to start with this season. I have some sugar snap peas, some broccoli, some kohlrabis, and a few other things that I'm going to be planting once we've amended the beds and we're ready to get going. So one of the main problems or issues that we will be confronted with this season is the weeds. So, and we are taking measures right now to start combating those by putting in place some weed barrier fabric. A hot air balloon. Ah, he waved back to you.
Yeah, I waved back. I waved back.
Wow, that is so cool. Let me see if I can. Let me see if I can zoom in on him. Oops. That is so cool. So we'll be using a lot of landscape fabric throughout the garden to just help us suppress the weeds. So the first thing we're doing here is try to position the grow bags where we want to have them this season and try to plan out a little bit how we want to grow, utilize the grow space this season. And once we have that, we are removing weeds, anything that is a nuisance in this space, and just bringing in the fresh compost, trying to amend the soil, planting more strawberries where we want to have them. With my husband and my kids, we can never have enough strawberries in the garden. And so here we are building another strawberry tower for the season. So cleaning up and amending the garden beds took us one afternoon. Yesterday we're all tired, and so today, this morning, I'm coming back in and I'm going to be sowing the first seeds and planting the first seedlings. Those two seem to be having a lot of fun. Well, my seedlings did quite well. I mean, they could have done better, but I'm pretty happy with how they turned out, and I'm sure that they are ready for the outdoors. In the large metal box at the back, I'm going to be growing some broccolis right at the back of the strawberries. I think that can work well. And over here on this side, I'll put in some carrots, some different varieties of lettuce, some spinach, different varieties of radishes, some beets, some Swiss chards. I have some onions here that I'm not very sure about. They're quite tiny. I'll also put in some kohlrabis, the white and red varieties of kohlrabis, and some bok choy, or is it tatsoi. I have garlic, I have onions, potatoes to plant in other areas. So there's a lot of work to do here.
Switch it up.
So we do have some germination here. I suppose this will be radish. No, these are the lettuces. Yeah, this is where I planted those lettuce seeds. So they're coming up already, and I've already seen some slugs eating up the radishes, the kohlrabi, and I got two here, disgusting things. They've eaten up some of the plants already. And so I'm going to take some measures now to stop them from eating up my whole crops here. I suppose I have a few more in there. For the most part, the plants are still okay, but I underestimated how quick the slugs can become active and start. So we're building a small tunnel to house the small plants. So in addition to the blue stuff that we added, we've put some eggshells and also the pine branches, and that is all supposed to help against the slugs. So for the things we planted in the garden in the grow bags, they look quite all right. They seem to be picking up quite well. I still need to mulch a few more bags and around the garden beds. These over here are doing quite well as well. So I'm sure we're off to a good start. We need to keep a good eye on the pests and everything, but looking quite all right.